not expecting this kayak to turn on a dime with how big it is. Oh.
Hi guys, this is Castro and you are watching Behind the Scenes with Next Level Fishing TV. Today we head to the Texas Ski Ranch out in New Braunfels, Texas, where Austin Canoe and Kayak host their yearly fall demo days.
But you get those stick back.
Thanks, sir. I think that might actually be for like a okay. I am on the Native Titan. What am I noticing here? So, this feels really good. This is the Native Titan, and one of the things I would say about the Native Titan is that, first off, this is a very big kayak. I think this would be a super kayak if you enjoy fly fishing, man. I'm just gonna come out and say that right away because of how big it is. And I'm gonna show you guys something here in a little bit towards the back end. Speed on this is actually pretty good considering how big and wide it is. The drive actually feels very smooth. No grinding, no vibration. So far so good. It's quiet. Now I'm not expecting this kayak to turn on a dime with how big it is, but I mean, of course we're gonna give it a shot, right? Comes with cup holders, foam handle grips. It's got some little rod rests that you can, or rod tunnels that you can put your rods in. Check out this big old back area. I'm gonna show you guys what I like about this kayak the most. I think if you're gonna consider a kayak like this, you just depends on what you're fishing, you know, what you're doing. If you are a fly fisherman and you want to get into some relatively not super skinny waters, but some relatively skinny waters and do some fly fishing, I think the way that this totally is designed is going to allow you to really get some good fly fishing opportunities without having to worry about snagging things. Let's turn it and let's see how it does. Oh, okay, I was wrong about that. Okay, this thing turns on a dime. Holy smokes. Wait, what is going on here? Is it supposed to turn like that? Like that was... Okay, dude, I was wrong. This thing turns. Now, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, hang on. Let me show you guys something. So, on this Native Titan, I want to show you where the rips are at. Those are kind of where the bow turned. I'm literally almost going in circles. Like the hole is actually almost, I'm pretty much almost turning. That is cool, dude. I did not expect that. That is cool. All right, stability. Forget about it. super stable. I'm gonna try something here without falling. Right. Okay, so this so if I'm in the flats and I'm like, and you want to pull around, pick up that drive, and this is pretty stable, dude. This is a good platform if you want to pull around, if you want to fly fish. I'm not used to this, so it's probably a lot more stable than what I think. Oh yeah, it is. I haven't. I'm always a little worried when I first get on boats I haven't been on, even though they may be super stable, which it is. But I'm just cautious because I am wearing some equipment here that I don't want to get dunked in. Look at this platform, guys. This is like fly fishing right here, dude. If you can put a little bucket right there or what have you and just strip, you can keep a lot more organized standing up. And this is kind of like, even though it's a big boat, big kayak, I like where the Titan is going. You know, if you like big kayaks, or if you're a big dude and you need a lot of room, this is your kayak, I think. But then again, if you're a smaller dude, you also have some versatility for some different style of fishing, or to at least make it a little more convenient to do that. So I'm gonna get right back on this thing because I'm gonna hit that if not. Wow. That's cool. Oh, this does come with, this actually does come with some molded flush mount. I don't know if all the rods will be able to fit there, but most of them should be able to. Paddle clip. I'm using this wrong, I apologize. There's a, oh, it even has a little blade. I bet you that's what that's for. Could be wrong. I'm not sure. Okay. Let's get out of here before I hit land. All right. Is this? Does that go in? Oh, wow. Got plenty of tracks. It's got padding. Good grips. Turns on the dime. This is a kayak that you need to keep on your list if you're a big dude. I don't know what the weight capacity is, but I'm gonna research that. Dude, this is stable. This is real stable. Yeah, I like this, man. If you're a big bass fisherman, Titan could do good things for you. Or if you just like to pack like you're ready to go to war. It's cool, man. I like it a lot.